Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyaka, scatter.
1 year no lyric, 1 year no. I know it's funny because you see, if pre this, let's look at the flip side. Everything happened to me. I say absolutely nothing, and then we just tap out. Oh my God, what happened? I don't know what happened to her. I don't know what's going on. Because even when I was speaking, nobody believed me. Nobody believed me at all. Nobody believed me. Like, no, son, Jermaine, none of that. Jermaine and Crystal, really? That's Simone. Are you sure? I've had friends say that to me. You sure? Is it me? I'm gonna read some comments because at this point it's like word vomit. I don't know what I'm saying. My phone I get hot. 1, 1, 2, 3, 10 still valid. Whenever the flashbacks come, just say God. Yeah, but then even when you say God, I leave it in your hands. Is that there's some part of us that want something grand to happen. Because me I say, because I've had this conversation with God, and I say, God, I waste my time, dog. Like, why am I go through all of that just to reach right? So, why am I go through all of that just to reach right? So, and when we start share, it's like, yeah, this is what's happening. And then what I have to keep on remembering is that, well, this is how I think of God. I don't believe he's a God that's an asshole. I don't believe he's the God that just make dumb and weird shit happens. I believe in good and bad, negative, positive. And I say like, oh, God want to keep it close to him, and I say all things work together for your good. I'll never leave nor forsake. It's like the bad has to match that energy. And I say when that energy is matched, or tries to be matched, and then you go through shit. That's why God could have said, yo, you check out my servant Job, dog. Because I know them man there, you see me? And I'm not a Job. I could never be a Job, but Job went through my top of the long blood cleanse time when you mean my own friend them. I just say, no, I must something you do, my own, at the time, like wife, because he's a man. Wife, I said, dog, but they just tap out in a dog. God, I don't know where to God, but clearly you've pissed him off. I don't think anybody could ever endure what Job went through. That there's only one Job. But it's like how God fights for us. Him having angels around us. So when I got book of foot against the stone, I feel like him like Satan I come with the same energy the dog, and that's why we go through shit. It's not that he's winning. It's that at the point we don't feel like we are strong enough, we don't feel like we can make it. You see me? And that is why I say not leave nor forsake, because God say, I understand. Me get what you say. Believe me, get what you say. But dog, me still there. You see me? The Bible say, ask and it shall be given. And I am afraid to ask because of where I am right now. More I'm not even know if I'm going to answer me. But it's because him alone me know. I just him alone me I go to. Because like him alone me know. Because the life I'm living now is not like a quintessential Christian. It's not. It's just not. It's just not. But I will never, ever, ever say, I'm not going to ever renounce him. I'm not going to ever say, no, I'm a Christian, you know, if God, I'm not going to ever say that. Even though sometimes I feel like that, I'm not going to ever say that. And the truth is, it could be worse. You know, I know it could be worse because there are people watching my situation and thinking, bitch, I wish I had what you're going through. That's how you know it could be worse. It could be worse. Again, I'm updating you guys. Documenting, most of this is probably word for me. I'm going to say this, but I'm going to know. postpone the classes. I'm very uncertain about the Jamaican classes as well. It's like, I don't have the energy. And it takes a lot of money to do these classes. I don't have the energy back. Yeah, not the energy. Oh, and I thanked Meeks and Sonic. They're from Connecticut. I thanked them publicly for helping with the classes. But I told them that I postpone it. So, and Kay, my sponsor from TLC, I love Kay. I told her that I just sent 1 2-minute voice note. I don't know, I'm gonna listen. I just said, I don't want to do nothing, dog. Listen to me, but yeah. No, I don't believe that tears are weakness, but let me tell you what it is, because I used to cry way more before, but when I was married, I was told that my tears are manipulative and that, like, I'm only crying for attention. So constantly being told that is like, I'm afraid to cry, constantly being told that. Anytime I would cry, I'm going to hide in another room or something. Is it because that's what I was told? And I don't know if you understand, but I'm coming from a church where, like, what the husband says is law, and he's the head, and he represents God. So to go against your husband would be going against God. That's what I was taught. That's what I was taught. But I tell Andrew, man, go switch side, you know, cause them man a dog, them man a wicked, them wicked. She said, Simone, I said, oh, too late. Too late. Oh, Jesus Christ, no way. See me, but it and there are greater things for you to go through, but like this, for me, this is my greater thing. Like for you, maybe some man cheat, move on, and that's cool, that's you. But for me, it's not, because it's not like I have a history. You know, like when we say karma, like, oh, karma's gonna get you. Not even at high school, dog. Me I give bone. Not even high school. When if you have sex on the place and I bone up and beauty, I did not. I remember I was with this guy and him friend used to always him say, yo, Simon, he might cheat on it. I'm like, go. He might say, no, not because I like it, someone dead ass he's cheating, and I didn't believe until one day it was just true. And I'm like, how the hell if you do that to me? Then my next serious relationship, cheating again. It's like, and then this joke is going to be out of context, but listen, I found it funny. I was watching a whole heap of stand-up comedy because I realized that laughing helps me too. Laughing and music. And Cat Williams said, there's no way you should be in your 20s and you still not have no man. And no, there's no way you should be in your 20s and you're still saying men aren't shit. You might say, well, maybe your front attract ain't shit niggas. Fix your front. And I laughed so hard, like, woo! I felt like you been shit, sir. Wait. You have a birth certificate? Huh. Are you have it? You know me? No, but you know me. Why are all this? I found it so funny. You see me? But then it made me think, like, yeah, what is it about me that why am I always choose like the wrong ones? Why am I always choose the wrong ones? And it has gotten to a point where I don't even trust my decision anymore. I don't. God, this is word vomit. This is word vomit. I have nothing else to say. By the way, if you're screen recording this, not a niggle finger, I'm just a dig out my nose. It was just very, very accurately timed. I literally digging out my nose. Just in case you're screen recording. And if you see this video on any YouTube channel, thumbs it. Wait. Look how Bugo actually come out. Bugo actually come out.